Today I cook oatmeal with beef. This is very delicious. My goodness, wow. I think you never had this one before. Either your grandfather and mother, they didn't have this food. This first create in the world. Wow, this is good for the cholesterol, and some people problem with cholesterol and diabetes. They can use like this one for dinner or whatever, you know, soup, beef soup with the oatmeal. Wow, this is really delicious and healthy. First time in the world you try it, make this food. Wow, very easy, just water and salt, then put oat milk and beef, then stir, you know, then become you eat. Wow,